Hey guys, welcome to a video where today I'm going to be reviewing Peachybbies, and here's the package. And I ordered these in a Saturday at night, and it arrived a little over a week. It arrived on Monday, but that's kind of fair because on Sundays there's no mail, at least that's what I think. Anyways, I've already ordered from her before, which is around a year ago, so go check that out in the description box down below. And this time I ordered from her again because her slimes are amazing. So anyways, I'm just gonna cut it open, and I did kind of cut through the paper, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna take it out, and here is the slime, and it's nicely bubble wrapped, which is really nice. And I really like how slimers that do these take their time to make sure the thing won't spill. And then here is another bag with borax bag and her business card, and it has glitter all over it, which is really nice. So here are her YouTube, her Instagram, and her shop. And as you guys can see, I ripped the paper. So I bought Just Berries Crunch cereal, and it's a 4 ounce. And disclaimer, I did only buy one because that's the only thing I was allowed to. So if you guys don't like just one, then you can exit out. Anyways, here it is. Just taking out the bubble wrap, and it has her new logo. I guess it's kind of new. And as you can see in the bottom, it has the name, which is Just Berries. So taking it out, it was super glossy and really nice. And it was actually not that sticky at all. Actually, it didn't need that much borax. This slime was scented really nicely. It smells like a really fruity cereal. It smells really good. Definitely like the best scent I've ever smelled. It smells super good and really yummy. So the slime did have this little paper on it, which is really helpful because it helps the slime not spill. And this is really good because the slime did self-inflate, so it basically gives you more than you got, which I'm not complaining whatsoever because it's more slime, which who doesn't want more slime? So Yeah, and as you can see, I was smelling it because it smells so good. So the only downside I had with this slime is the beads. These kind of start losing their color after a while. But it's not her fault because she actually did say that the beads might lose their color. So I was warned about it. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like these. So if I were to rate this slime, it would be a like 12 out of 10 because the scent is amazing, the color is amazing, and it has a really nice texture. And if you're wondering how much this costs, it costs around $13 including shipping. So that was really nice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!